If you're fresh out of school and looking for your first job, it may feel intimidating to write a resume when you have no work experience. That's why I'm here to help. I'm Amanda Augustine, your resident career expert here at Top Resume. And in this video, I'll walk you through the steps to create a great resume and land your first job, even when you have no work experience. Let's get started. Let's start at the top of the page. First step is to create a clear and attractive header that includes your name and contact information. You can also add a LinkedIn profile here or a professional portfolio if you do creative work. Now let's write your resume summary. This section is more free-form than the rest of your resume, so you can use it to call the reader's attention to your strengths. Add 3 to 4 lines that describe your best personal qualities, coursework, or leadership roles and activities. Make sure you think about how each sentence shows that you're the right person for the opportunity you're applying to. If you're a student or recent grad, add your education next and list your degrees from most recent to oldest. Include the degree name, school, dates attended, and location. You can also add 1 to 2 bullet points that describe your academic achievements, impressive grades, or relevant coursework. Now it's time to make a list of everything you've done that could be relevant to your resume. This could include volunteer roles, internships, extracurricular activities, awards, sports, hobbies, and leadership roles. Categorize them and decide which are the most in line with the job you're applying to. You can use this information to write an experience section, which is a bit more general than an employment history section. Add 2 to 3 bullet points under each entry to describe what you've accomplished in each role. When writing the skills section with limited experience, refer to the job description and pick out the personal qualities or soft skills the employer is looking for. Add them here to show you're ready to learn the role and be a motivated employee. Lastly, make sure to always proofread your work and get a second pair of eyes on it if possible. One easy way to do this is by submitting your resume for a Top Resume free review to get clear feedback on your writing and formatting. Check it out in the link below. There you have it. You're ready to write a great resume and wow potential employers without much experience. I'm Amanda Augustine for Top Resume. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest resume tips and career advice.